Hello children, today we are going to learn about plants around us. Children, have you ever noticed plants? There are different types of plants. Big plants, small plants. Okay children, so there are different kinds of plants around us with different shapes and sizes. Okay, with different shapes and with different sizes. So, a very big plants are called trees. They are strong and tall. Trees have hard woody stems called trunks. Children, have you ever noticed mango tree? A mango tree's trunk will be strong. You can climb on it, you can swing on it. So, how to identify whether it's a tree or a plant? If you see any big plant, we call it as a tree. If you see a small tiny plant, then we call it as a plant. Okay? Neem and banyan tree are examples of trees. Why we are not calling them as plants? Neem tree, banyan tree, because they are big, they are strong, their trunk is strong. Okay? For example, I have drawn here roughly. Suppose this is a neem tree and this is a banyan tree. Banyan tree is also a national tree of our country. Okay. How to identify banyan tree? It will have roots like this. Brown color roots from here from up to down. Okay. So children, these are the example of trees like mango tree, banyan tree, neem tree. Okay. Next, what are plants? Some plants are much smaller than trees. Roses, hibiscus and grass are example of small plants. Okay children, can you see here this one? This is a flower pot. Suppose these are the roses which I have drawn roughly. So a rose plant is small. It's a small plant. That's why we are calling it as a plant. Okay. Next, different plants grow in different places. Some plants like mango and neem grow in the plains. Some plants like fir and pine grow in cold mountains or hills. So children, what are plains? Plains means plants. Plains means a large area of flat land. For example, a large area of flat land. Whereas hills means hills. Okay, hills means this area between this. We will be having on hills. Have you ever noticed there will be some land on the hills? So some plants like water, pine plant, fir plant, they grow on hills, whereas mango and neem plants grow on plains. Okay, some plants like lotus grow in water. Do you know children, lotus grows in underwater? Yeah, lotus is one of the flower that grows under water. So different plants have different conditions. They grow in different climatic conditions. Okay. Now next, the next topic is parts of a plant. Have you seen flower of a plant? See, this is a plant. These are the roots. This one is a soil. Okay. So the roots, first what we do, how a plant grows, first we plow a seed, dig and we put a seed under soil. From this seed a small plant appears. From this plant there will be roots, then small again it will grow. Okay, so what does the roots do? The roots supply all necessary nutrients and water to the plant with which plant grows. What does stem do? Stem helps in connecting the roots and the plant. It supplies water and nutrients. It helps the plant to stand straight. Okay, and these are the branches, children. This is a leaf. These are the leaves. Leaves also prepare food for plants. Okay, with all this process, a plant will be able to produce fruits, and it will be able to produce bud, then from bud to a flower. Okay, first we see here, first we get a bud, then flower, then fruit. Okay, so this is the process of a plant. So children, what does a plant need? A plant need, see, air, water, sunlight and soil. A plant need air, water, sunlight and soil. Children, suppose you think you have bought a plant, or you are having a plant. What you have done? You have brought that plant inside your home. What will happen? There will be no air supply, and also you are not pouring it water. There is no sunlight. You are not pouring it water, and does it grow? No, it won't grow. So a plant does not grow until and unless it has the supply of air, water, sunlight and soil. Okay, so these all are important to grow a plant. So children, you do one thing, you draw these parts of a plant in your books and practice it, and also you practice the spellings. It's an important topic for you children. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel.